Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need Chrome and a code editor. Once installed, make a project folder and create manifest. JSON in manifest. JSON declare manifest version, name, version, and permissions. This informs Chrome what you need. Next, add a basic icon and choose extension type, browser action for toolbar buttons, content script to modify pages, or background for persistent logic. Once done, open Chrome, //extensions, enable developer mode, and click Load Unpacked to load your folder. This starts live testing immediately. You will now write the core files. Start with background, JS to handle events, then content, JS to interact with web pages and pop-up, HTML for the UI, include pop-up, JS and styles. Make sure to list each script and host permissions in manifest. JSON so Chrome grants access. Use Chrome, runtime, send message and on message listeners to pass data between content scripts and background. This avoids direct DOM access from background. As you code, reload the unpacked extension and check the console for errors. Iterate until behaviors match expectations. Finish by testing thoroughly. Navigate different sites, simulate slow networks, and check memory. Update manifest version, tidy icons, and pack the extension if publishing, or keep loading unpacked for frequent updates. Make sure to follow Chrome's content security policy. Inline scripts are blocked, so use external files. If something breaks, open DevTools for the extension, inspect background or pop-up pages, and read console errors. Often a missing permission or malformed JSON in manifest is the culprit, so verify those first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.